Hello everybody. Sharing is caring. Okay. Welcome again to my channel Caterpillar Junhan. So uh, today is our day. It's my working day, even Friday. Okay. Uh, I would like to share for everyone that always following my video in YouTube. Okay. This topic today is regarding about the installation of harness. Okay, the installation of harness. There is for me and for my own experience that the installation of harness. And see, this must be make it gap. This one, once the engine is running, coming vibration, so the wire will scratching and then can cause of damage. Okay, and then this is the primary and secondary. Okay, so this is the oil pressure sensor. Okay, this is there also. This is the oil pressure sensor to actuator of this pump. Okay, so this is a oil pressure sensor, actuator of oil pressure sensor. Okay, this is the ECM. So okay, this is the atmospheric. Okay, this is atmospheric pressure sensor, and then the other one, this is the intake pressure sensor. Okay, again, pressure sensor, and then this is the socket. So the heater switch, and this is the mostly the wire or the new harness. Some of the socket, it is have a tag. Okay, where are you going to install it? Which sensor is properly will be connected? So that's the it's easy way. If every harness or every wire they have a tag, but in this harness that I'm installing right now, there is only limit tag that they have. Only that they have on the HEUI hydraulic fuel pump pressure. Okay. And then the intake. And about the other, no any tag. Okay, how you can identify it? So this is primary, and then this is the secondary. Okay. So about this machine, it's a 336 model. Now at the back or the counterweight area, it is already removed because we're going to install a long boom. So it is already extended. You can see long boom. But that is not our topic for today. This way of installation. Okay, make it sure that the wire is not heavily tight. Okay, you know what? As you can see, it is tight, like not heavy pressure. Okay, make it sure that the wire, once the engine is running, the vibration will not affect the wire. Or like for example, this is good. Okay, make it sure that the proper, like for example, this one when the engine is running. Okay, can cause like that, and then maybe the wire damage. Must be the wire, or put a small cable tie, or put a cable tie here to make not to move like that. Make permanent. Okay. See. So now I split my leg to keep it standing properly. Okay, again, this is atmospheric. Okay, and then the other one, this is connected to intake, air intake from this pipe, air moving there, pressure. This intake booster pressure sensor, and then this is temperature, air intake temperature. Okay, as you can see, heater. Yeah, this is the what I told. Okay, and the other one is the temperature, engine temperature. Okay, and this is the what we call, that's the name. Okay, EF or control valve. So once this wire is disconnected, this socket is disconnected, so the engine doesn't stop, or not is getting stuck, but it can be what we call, the acceleration will be malfunctioning. Okay, or maybe the engine will be loss of power. And this is the speed sensor. Okay, about the other side, there's no any other connection up there. And also, I would like to mention to everyone, this wire here is a green color. So sometimes it happens that this wire is disconnected. That's the main reason. The alternator will come charging even this one is disconnected. So the main reason how is it what is the what was showing. Ah, what? Tell me. Ah, here's a fucking Gandu. Gandu, don't pull my plug. I mean, out of balance.
You are making video?
Yeah,
Huh?
I have to include you as being obstruction of my work. distracting my focus. Okay. Mentioning in this video is your Gandu. You see, he getting touched by bull. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is the final result of my installation. Okay, as you can see, I keep all the wire. Will not allow the wire will be vibrate touching to the parts side of the engine. Okay, as you can see. I think this is wrong. I have to cut. This is wrong. Must be this wire will be play. But keep it away from the engines. So I'll make something that okay. As you can see, this here there is a small protection. So must be this wire will play. Mr. Engine is done. Okay. What? Laura! Such a bad. Oh, that is not. Okay.